How to track your Cash App card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to track your Cash App card. First, launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. From there, make sure you tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account. Once you are here, you will see these various options that you can use to get access to different areas of the Cash App account. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Once you are here at the bottom of the page, tap this option named Support. The page will start loading. Kindly wait for it. On this page, some options and sections can help you find solutions to issues you face on the app. From them, scroll down and look for an option named Cash App Card. Here it is. Make sure you tap on it. This is the Cash App Card page. On this page, various options are related to the Cash App Card. Make sure you look at them. Look for an option named Getting Your Card. Here is the option. Tap on it. After that, more options will appear just like here. From them, tap this other option named Card Delivery. You will see this page where Cash App is providing some information that you can read to get a better understanding of the delivery process. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap here Chat. It is under the Support option. This feedback page appears. On this page, there is a feedback box where you are supposed to type a short message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly. Finally, send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to track your Cash App card.